Well, I finally got it. The Super Nintendo Entertainment System Classic Edition by Nintendo, and it was the 5th one out of only 6 at Fred Meyer. The never-released Star Fox 2. Never released Super Mario World, Donkey Kong Country, F-Zero, Super Mario Kart, Legend of Zelda, and more. And more. So, hey guys, the Minecraft Ace, and this is the unboxing of the system. Now you're playing with superpower. So it comes in this simple box. Yeah, I'll read about this later. Oh, that's the controller. The AC adapter. The USB. The HDMI cord. Yeah, this one's USB. The controllers. How does it spell nostalgia? Even though this was not the first system I've ever had, it still was there. And here's the thing itself. Yeah, these don't work. So look how tiny this is. Look how tiny it is. Then we have the compartments. How do you open it? How do you open it? Oh god, battery. Why did you get some awful batteries? This is pretty much it. These are the ports, so if you enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. This thing, I'll show you the other controller. Goodbye, y'all.